Ever yelled at your phone's navigation app for its robotic directions? We've all been there. Maybe you've even found yourself arguing with that monotone voice, wishing it would just sound a little less like a robot and a little more like a real person. For years, our digital assistants have been helpful, sure, but they've always felt a bit cold, like talking to a machine that just doesn't get you. But on March 20th, 2025, everything changed. It wasn't just another software update, it was the dawn of a new era for how we interact with technology. Suddenly, the voice on the other end didn't just sound human, it felt human. It was as if your phone had finally learned to listen, to understand, and to respond with genuine emotion. It could be apologetic, playful, or even a little cheeky. Your AI assistant could now match your mood, making every interaction feel more natural and less like a script. This isn't just another minor update, it's a total shake-up. The way we talk to our devices, and the way they talk back, has been completely reimagined. Imagine your AI assistant reading your shopping list with game show enthusiasm or yoga instructor calm. Suddenly, your daily routines become a little more fun, a little more personal, and a lot more engaging. OpenAI just stepped in and said, "We can do better." And they did. Their breakthrough didn't just improve the technology, it redefined what we expect from our digital companions. Why juggle 3 clunky apps when you can have one seamless, emotionally aware system? Now everything you need is in one place, and it actually understands you. We're moving from robotic responses to real, nuanced conversations. It's not just about getting answers, it's about feeling heard, understood, and even entertained. The days of typing everything out are fading fast. Voice is becoming the new normal, and it's more intuitive than ever before. So let's dive into what this leap forward means for all of us. From daily tasks to meaningful conversations, the way we connect with technology and each other is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Let's break down what OpenAI just dropped, GPT-4 Transcribe, Mini Transcribe, and Mini TTS. These aren't just incremental updates, they're a leap forward in how we interact with machines using our voices. Each tool is designed to solve a specific pain point, but together they create a seamless, intelligent audio experience that's never been possible before. Instead of juggling separate, clunky tools for transcription and text-to-speech, OpenAI has bundled them into one powerful, unified API. This means developers can now access advanced voice and text features from a single place, making integration faster, easier, and more reliable than ever. GPT-4. Transcribe is the accuracy king, transcribing over 100 languages, even in noisy rooms. Whether you're in a bustling cafe, a crowded conference, or a quiet office, it picks up your words with remarkable precision. It's built to handle accents, dialects, and background noise, making it a go-to for global users. Mini Transcribe is built for speed, perfect for real-time needs. If you need instant captions during a live event, or want to dictate notes on the fly, it delivers near-instant results. It's lightweight, responsive, and designed for those moments when every second counts. But the real star? Mini TTS. It generates natural, human-like speech in real time, and you can control its emotion and tone. Imagine an AI that doesn't just read text, but actually sounds happy, sad, excited, or even sarcastic, depending on what you need. Want a happy or sarcastic response? Just ask. With a few simple settings, you can make your AI assistant sound more engaging, relatable, or even playful. Perfect for customer service, entertainment, or accessibility. This combo, real-time transcription, emotional control, and seamless integration, changes everything. It's not just about converting speech to text or text to speech. It's about creating a fluid, interactive conversation between humans and machines. Developers used to stitch together different services, leading to delays, bugs, and awkward user experiences. Managing multiple APIs meant more code, more maintenance, and more headaches. Now, it's all under one roof. Your words are transcribed, understood, and spoken back in a fluid conversational loop. The result? Faster development, smoother apps, and a more natural user experience. It's a total game changer. The tech world will never be the same. With these tools, the future of voice-driven applications is here, and it's smarter, faster, and more human than ever before. One of the coolest features of this new technology Real-time live streaming speech-to-text that works seamlessly as you talk. Imagine speaking naturally without having to stop or repeat yourself and seeing your words appear instantly on the screen. It's like having a conversation with someone who never misses a beat, no matter how fast you speak or how complex your ideas are. The AI transcribes your words as you speak. No more awkward pauses. No more waiting for the system to catch up. And definitely no more press and hold to talk buttons slowing you down. You just talk, and the technology keeps up, making every conversation feel smooth and uninterrupted. Powered by Mini Transcribe, latency is almost a thing of the past. The delay between your words and the transcription is so minimal it feels like you're talking to another person, not a machine. Conversations flow naturally with spontaneity and energy, just like they do in real life. Imagine using a language learning app where your AI tutor responds instantly, correcting your pronunciation and grammar on the fly. You get immediate feedback, making it easier to learn and practice without breaking your flow or losing confidence. Or picture watching a live news broadcast, a sports event, or a university lecture, and having real-time captions appear for everyone. This makes information accessible to people everywhere, regardless of hearing ability or language barriers. For gamers, in-game voice chat is instantly transcribed, so you never miss a command or a strategy call. Communication becomes faster, clearer, and more inclusive, even in the heat of the moment. This technology removes the friction from communication. The machine adapts to us, learning our speech patterns and accents, so we don't have to change the way we talk. It's about making technology work for people, not the other way around. Old systems forced us to slow down, repeat ourselves, or use awkward commands. Now, AI keeps up with our natural rhythm, letting us speak freely and confidently. It's a fundamental shift. Technology is finally fitting into our lives, blending into our routines and environments instead of forcing us to adapt to it. Real-time, natural interaction is here, making every conversation smoother, more accessible, and more human than ever before. Enter Semantic Voice Activity Detection, VAD for short. Old voice tech picked up every sound: coughs, barking dogs, chip bags. The result? Messy, useless transcripts. OpenAI's new system is smarter. It listens for meaning, not just noise. It filters out background sounds and only transcribes actual speech. The result: cleaner, more accurate transcripts, even in noisy places. Think of it as a bouncer for your audio, only your voice gets through. No more searching for a silent room to dictate a message. Just talk naturally. The AI figures out what matters. This subtle feature makes the whole experience feel polished and intuitive. It's another way OpenAI is removing the little annoyances from voice tech. The new voice suite supports over 100 languages and dialects, not just the big ones. It's trained on diverse accents and speaking styles, so it understands you whether you're in Sydney or Sao Paulo. This adaptability is crucial. Nobody speaks in a perfect generic accent. Plus, it's resilient to background noise, from busy markets to quiet libraries. Developers worldwide can now build apps for their communities, in their own languages. AI is finally a truly global resource, not just for English speakers. For businesses, it means connecting with customers and teams in their native tongue. Here's where it gets exciting. Mini TTS can speak with real emotion. Developers just type a prompt. Say this in a calm, reassuring voice. That's it. Imagine a mental health app with a genuinely soothing guide, or a kids app with excited, encouraging characters. Customer service bots can sound patient with frustrated users, then switch to cheerful once the problem's solved. The way something is said matters as much as what's said. Mini TTS lets one voice express a full range of emotions, no more robotic monotone. It's about emotional intelligence in technology. The same voice can be calm, sarcastic, or excited, just like a real person. This makes AI sound authentic, consistent, and engaging. It's a subtle but powerful leap forward. The old way? Developers cobbled together speech-to-text, AI, and text-to-speech from different companies. Each had its own quirks, pricing, and delays, resulting in awkward, laggy conversations. Consistency was a nightmare. Voices sounded robotic. Responses felt off. Developers spent ages patching cracks, never achieving a seamless experience. OpenAI's all-in-one API changes everything. Transcription, intelligence, and speech generation now flow together, reducing latency and boosting quality. Developers can focus on innovation, not integration headaches. Users get faster, smarter, more natural interactions. The old single-purpose voice apps, they're in trouble. This isn't just hype. Companies are already seeing results. Elise AI in real estate used Mini TTS to make their AI sound more human. Engagement soared. Decagon in customer support slashed transcription errors by 43% with GPT-4 Transcribe. They integrated the whole suite in just 2 weeks. Proof it's developer-friendly. Elise AI's emotional control boosted user engagement. Decagon's noise resilience and accuracy made their support tool reliable. These aren't minor upgrades. They're transformative. OpenAI's toolkit is practical, powerful, and easy to implement. Fast integration means more innovation across industries, healthcare, education, entertainment, and more. Early adopters are already shaping the future. The results speak for themselves. What does this mean for you? OpenAI's vision is a multimodal future. AI that understands text, voice, images, and video. This voice launch is a huge step, making AI more intuitive and accessible, and it's affordable. Mini TTS and the transcription models are priced to undercut the competition. OpenAI's aggressive pricing fuels innovation, from solo developers to big companies. They've launched a public contest and demo site, inviting everyone to experiment and create. The possibilities are endless: interactive storybooks, hyper-realistic assistants, and more. This isn't just a product launch. It's a call to rethink how we interact with technology. The robots are finally learning to talk, and the future sounds amazing.